What is the proper way to wash a heated blanket?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a topic that might seem daunting at first: how to wash a heated blanket. It's crucial to know the right steps to keep your blanket in the best shape possible while also ensuring it continues to provide warmth and comfort.
Understanding the care label.
The very first step you need to take is to check the care label on your heated blanket. Manufacturers often provide specific instructions on how to clean and care for their product. These instructions might vary depending on the type and model of your blanket, so it's important to read them carefully. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines as a priority.
Preparing the blanket for washing.
Before you toss your heated blanket into the washing machine, there are a few steps you need to take. Firstly, unplug all cords and controllers from the blanket. Most heated blankets come with detachable cords for this very reason. Then, inspect the blanket for any damages, such as exposed wires or loose connections. If you find any, do not proceed with washing. It's time to replace your blanket.
Washing the heated blanket.
Most heated blankets are machine washable, but there are some key steps to follow. Use a gentle or delicate cycle on your washing machine, and cold or lukewarm water, never hot. Avoid using bleach or other harsh chemicals that could damage the internal wiring. It's better to use a mild detergent.
Drying the heated blanket.
After washing, gently remove excess water from the blanket, but avoid wringing it out as this could damage the wires. You can then place the blanket in the dryer on a low heat setting for a short period. However, it's often best to air dry the blanket. Lay it flat to dry, ensuring it's completely dry before reconnecting any cords.
Storing the heated blanket.
When the winter is over and it's time to store your heated blanket, make sure it's completely dry to prevent mold and mildew. Roll the blanket, don't fold it, to avoid damaging the wires. Keep it in a dry place until it's time to use it again. Taking care of a heated blanket may seem a bit complicated, but with these steps, you can keep your blanket clean, safe, and functioning at its best. Remember, always follow the manufacturer's instructions and handle your heated blanket with care. We hope this guide has been helpful, and here's to many more cozy, warm nights with your heated blanket.